In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 keyboard number keys not working. Let's start by going to the Windows search bar and then go ahead and type Control Panel. Find the Ease of Access settings and open it. Scroll down and open Make the keyboard easier to use. Uncheck the Turn on mouse keys and click Apply. And then here, click OK. You can check the keyboard number if it is working. Other ways. First is to right-click the Start button, then click Device Manager. Open the Expand Keyboards, then right-click, select Update Driver. After that, choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Then click Next. After the process, click on Close, then restart your PC, and that's it. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.